Remember that at the beginning of our previous video, we create a backup of our UAT environment that has no content. So basically, this backup is the version before we create our first article. So as you can see right now, if I go to the UAT environment, and here we have the first article. But now, if I go to our backups tool, as you could see, we can, if we want, we can download this backup, but also we can restore this backup. So I will click here and then I will confirm this action, and then it will take a couple of seconds or minutes depending on the database. But the expectation here is that after the restore process is completed, the content should not be there because this was a version of the website that has no content. So let's wait for it to finish. It should be almost done. And after that, we'll just reload that. Okay, it finished now. So as you can see here, this message below my face. So, okay, go back here, content, then reload this page. And as you could see here, this version of the website is what we were expecting. Is the older version because we on purpose restored the back.